Welcome to VowProof. Today, we are going to walk you through how to set up your consultations page so your client can schedule calls right online through your website. From the sidebar, go to the Consultations section in the sidebar and open Weekly Availability to manage your schedule. Adjust your weekly availability by editing the start and end times for each day of the week. You can add different blocks for each day as well. Below, you can add blocked date ranges if you are anticipating a block of time you will not be available. In the Consultation Types tab, review existing types like Discovery Call. Click Create Consultation Type to open the Creation modal. Enter a name and description under Basic Info in the Create Consultation Type modal. Then open the Consultation Type drop-down. Enter a description in the Create Consultation Type modal, then select an option like First Meeting from the drop-down. In the Create Consultation Type modal, select a consultation type from the drop-down, then choose an associated questionnaire. Configure the questionnaire and enable active status. Then, set duration, start increment, buffer times, minimum notice, and booking window. Enable the Limit Appointments per Day toggle and adjust the daily appointment limit. Then add custom page message and confirmation message to personalize the booking experience. In the Create Consultation Type modal, toggle Allow Rescheduling and Allow Cancellation. Set minimum notice hours. Configure reminders by adding schedules with custom messages. Optionally select an auto-assign workflow. Then click Create Consultation Type to save your consultation type. Your consultation type is created. You can open availability or delete any consultation type from this page. Here is what your client will see from your booking page. Here, they will be able to complete the form and reserve their booking. Back to your end, you can click Review Booking to open the confirmation modal to see the details on your side. View the booking confirmation screen and navigate to the Consultations dashboard in VowProof. Switch to the Dashboard section to view project, client, and lead management features in VowProof. Open a consultation from the list to view details and choose to reschedule or cancel the appointment. In the Consultation Details modal, update the status via the drop-down or select Cancel Consultation. Return to the main Consultations dashboard after updating or canceling a consultation.